Most people prefer traveling to well-known tourist destinations such as Dubai, Paris, London, etc. However, there are a few who prefer taking the path less traveled. If you happen to be one of these unconventional tourists, then you'll prefer traveling to the countries in today's video. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. Transnistria. Transnistria is an unconventional travel destination for two reasons. First, it's referred to as a country that doesn't exist. Even though it has its own constitution, army, currency, and citizenship, no other sovereign nation actually recognizes it as such. Secondly, Transnistria feels as though it's stuck in time thanks to the Soviet posters, Lenin statues, and 60s-style Khrushchevka buildings sprinkled around town. Many travelers have called it a communist theme park because of how well preserved everything is. Transnistria is the perfect place for travelers who are interested in Soviet history and off-the-beaten-path experiences. Nicosia, Cyprus. Nicosia, the capital of Cyprus, is the world's last divided capital city. Since 1983, the city has been split by the Green Line, a border between the Republic of Cyprus and Turkish-controlled Northern Cyprus. Since 2008, however, the restrictions have been lifted and you can now visit both parts of Nicosia. The border crossing and distinct character of the two sides of Nicosia make it one of the world's most unusual city breaks. The Greek-speaking Republic side of the border is much like other European capitals, with Starbucks, McDonald's, and H&M all present. But at the end of the main shopping street, there's a border crossing. And if you cross into North Nicosia, it's immediately clear that you've stepped into a completely different culture. Both sides of Nicosia have interesting sights, but North Nicosia has the edge in atmosphere and attractions. Don't miss the stunning mosque set in a former cathedral and the medieval caravanserai. Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is a strong contender for the world's most underrated holiday destination. Baku, the capital, is one of the most curious capitals in the world. Enriched by decades of oil wealth, it boasts ambitious architecture and large-scale civic projects, including the Boulevard, a massive seaside boulevard along the Caspian, and the world's largest flagpole. Ikirishehir, Old Baku's historic core, is a complete contrast, with its Zoroastrian tower and stone caravanserais. Beyond the city, the otherworldly landscape of the Absheron Peninsula includes mud volcanoes and flaming hillsides, a result of subterranean oil. Go mountain hiking, visit the small towns of Guba and Lahik, where artisans ply their traditional trades, and visit Sheki, home of the legendary UNESCO site, the Palace of the Sheki Khans. Lithuania. Lithuania is a little-known country in Eastern Europe filled with castles and forests, a shoreline line and old-town charm. The capital city of Vilnius was the first of 4 places in Lithuania to be named a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A charming blend of old and new, Vilnius is a city of contradictions that any traveler can fall in love with. Many of the notable sites in Vilnius are completely free to visit. St. Anne's Church offers an amazing example of architecture, with its stunning Gothic-style facade, and the cathedral square with its tall white bell tower is stunning. So much of the city's history can be discovered on a walk around Old Town Vilnius. An extensive bus system covers the country and can take you to locations such as Trakai Castle, the port town of Klaipeda, and, reachable by ferry, the unbelievable Curonian Spit. Iran. Iran is often portrayed in the media as a dangerous destination, but that couldn't be further from the truth. It's one of the most diverse countries in the world, which makes it an excellent destination for any kind of traveler. Iran has everything: a rich history, nature, architecture, culture, and adventure. The country is big, so dedicate as much time as possible to exploring it. In a couple of weeks, you can fit in the main sites: Tehran, Isfahan, Yazd, the Silk Road city of Shiraz, and Persepolis. If you have more time, add Kerman and the Lut Desert, the ancient citadels of Rayan and Bam, and Keshem and Hormuz Islands for stunning nature. These were just a few unusual holiday destinations. There are plenty more which we will look at in a later video. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you can see our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next